Okay, so today we're going to try to explain courier services, like we're explaining them to a toddler.
All right, I think I can handle that.
So imagine you have this super important package, like a birthday cake, that you need to get across town super fast.
Okay, I'm picturing it.
Would you put it in the mailbox and wait for the mailman?
Probably not. That might take a while, and the cake could get squished.
Right, you need something faster and more careful, and that's where a courier service comes in.
Like a special delivery superhero for important packages.
Exactly. They pick up the package and zoom it straight to where it needs to go.
So it's not like regular mail, it's more like a personal delivery service.
Exactly. And they can deliver all sorts of things, not just birthday cakes. Sometimes they even deliver important medicine or artwork or even pets.
Wow, they really are like superheroes. So are all courier services the same?
Well, not quite. Just like there are different types of cars for different trips, there are different types of couriers.
Oh, I get it. So like a little scooter for zipping around town and a big truck for long journeys.
You got it. For quick deliveries within the same city, you have local courier services. They're perfect for when you need something delivered like today or tomorrow.
Super speedy.
Then, for sending stuff across the country, you'd use a national courier service.
Like those big trucks you mentioned.
Right. And if you need to send something overseas, you'd use an international courier service.
So they handle all the tricky stuff like customs and different languages.
Yep, they're the experts at getting packages across borders.
So basically, no matter what you need to send or where you need to send it, there's a courier service out there that can handle it.
Exactly. Now let's maybe talk about some real-life examples of how people and businesses use courier services.
Sure. It's not just about sending cakes and presents, you know?
Right. Think about, like a busy mom who forgets to buy her parents a birthday present until the last minute.
Oh, no.
But with same-day delivery from a courier service, she can still get that gift there in time.
That's so convenient. It's like having a magic delivery fairy.
It really is.
Yeah.
But couriers aren't just for individuals. Businesses rely on them a lot, too.
Oh, absolutely. Like, imagine a small online store wants to compete with those huge online retailers.
Right. How could they possibly keep up with their delivery speeds?
Well, by partnering with a courier service, they can offer same-day delivery in their city.
So they can keep up with the big guys.
Exactly. It levels the playing field and makes everyone happy.
And what about those big companies? How do they use couriers?
Well, they often use couriers for really complex stuff, like managing their entire supply chain.
So like making sure all the parts and pieces arrive at the factory just when they're needed.
Exactly. It's like a perfectly timed dance of deliveries.
And I bet it saves them a ton of money on storage and wasted materials.
Absolutely. And for companies with offices all over the world, couriers help them ship prototypes and important documents between different locations.
So they don't have to worry about all the complicated customs forms and regulations?
Exactly. The courier service takes care of all that headache.
It sounds like courier services are pretty essential for businesses of all sizes.
I'd say so. They're kind of like the unsung heroes of the business world.
Keeping everything running smoothly behind the scenes.
And speaking of heroes, have you heard of this company, Bocsit?
Bocsit. Tell me more.
Well, they're a really cool example of a modern courier service that's doing some amazing things, especially where it comes to medical deliveries.
Oh, wow. So they're like literally saving lives.
In a way, yes. They understand that getting medicine and medical supplies to the right place at the right time is absolutely crucial.
And what makes them stand out from other courier companies?
Well, for one, they're incredibly reliable. They use the latest technology to track every package so you always know exactly where it is.
So no more wondering if your package got lost in a black hole.
Exactly. Plus, they have this team of dedicated drivers who are super careful and efficient.
It's like having a personal delivery concierge who takes care of everything for you.
Pretty much. And they offer a really wide range of services. They can handle everything from tiny packages to huge freight shipments.
And do they offer like same-day and overnight delivery options?
You bet. So whether you need to send a birthday card or a pallet of medical supplies, Bocsit has you covered.
Sounds like a pretty impressive company.
They are. And they're not just focused on today. They're constantly innovating and looking towards the future, even exploring things like drone deliveries and self-driving vehicles.
Wow, so they're basically living in the future of delivery.
You could say that. They're a great example of how courier services are evolving to meet the needs of a modern world.
So to recap, we've talked about how to explain courier services like you're talking to a toddler. We've looked at some real-life examples of how people and businesses use them. And we've highlighted a company called Bocsit that's really pushing the boundaries in this industry.
And we're just getting started. There's still so much more to explore about the world of courier services.
Exactly. And in our next segment, we're going to dive even deeper into the exciting future of this industry. Stay tuned.
So welcome back to our deep dive into courier services.
Yeah, last time we talked about the basics, like how to explain couriers to a toddler.
Right, and we looked at some cool examples of how they're used in the real world.
But now it's time to get our futuristic goggles on and look ahead.
Oh, I love this part. So what does the future hold for courier services?
Well, one thing that seems to be on everyone's mind is automation.
Yes, the robots are coming. But seriously, automation is a huge trend in the delivery world.
So we're talking about things like drone deliveries and self-driving vehicles.
Exactly. And they're not just science fiction anymore. Drones are already being used for deliveries in some places, especially for medical supplies.
So like those little flying robots dropping off packages on doorsteps, is that really happening?
It is, and it makes a lot of sense for those time-sensitive deliveries, like getting medicine to someone quickly.
I guess it would be especially helpful in areas that are hard to reach by car.
Right, like rural communities or places with difficult terrain. And then there are self-driving vehicles, which are changing the game for last-mile delivery, especially in cities.
Last mile delivery, what's that?
It's basically the final step in the delivery process, getting the package from the warehouse to the customer's door.
Oh, I see. And self-driving vehicles can help with that.
Absolutely. Think about it. A fleet of self-driving vans zipping around the city, making deliveries 247.
No traffic jams, no tired drivers, just packages arriving on time.
Exactly. And it could even help reduce accidents.
So it's safer, faster, and more efficient. Sign me up.
Right. But with all this talk about robots and automation, what happens to the human workers?
Yeah, so I was wondering, are all the delivery drivers going to lose their jobs?
That's a really important question, and it's something the industry's definitely grappling with, but I don't think it's a simple case of robots replacing humans.
So it's more nuanced than that.
I think so. While automation will change some jobs, it will also create new ones. And there will always be a need for human expertise in certain areas.
Like what?
Well, think about those deliveries that require a little extra care, like fragile items or things that need to be installed.
Or maybe those situations where you need someone to double check that the delivery is going to the right person.
Exactly. And let's not forget the importance of good old-fashioned customer service.
Right. Sometimes you just need a friendly face to help you out.
And a human touch can really make a difference in those situations. So it's not about robots versus humans. It's about finding ways for them to work together.
So kind of partnership between humans and technology.
Exactly. And speaking of technology, we can't forget about artificial intelligence, or AI.
Ah, yes, AI. It seems like it's taking over the world these days.
It's definitely a powerful force, and it's having a big impact on courier services, too.
Like how?
Well, for one thing, AI is being used to optimize delivery routes.
So instead of just following a set path, the delivery vehicles can adjust their routes in real time based on traffic and other factors.
Exactly. And that means faster deliveries and less wasted fuel.
Sounds pretty smart.
Yeah.
What else can AI do?
Well, it can also help predict delivery times with incredible accuracy.
So no more guessing when your package will arrive.
Right. And it can even personalize the delivery experience.
Personalize. What does that mean?
Well, imagine getting a notification that your package is 5 minutes away and being able to change the delivery location or time with a few taps on your phone.
So like if you suddenly realize you're not going to be home, you can redirect the package to your office or a neighbor's house.
Exactly. It gives you more control over your delivery experience. And that's just the tip of the iceberg.
Wow, so AI is not just making deliveries faster and more efficient, it's also making them more convenient and customizable.
Absolutely. And it's helping courier companies become more sustainable, too.
Sustainable. How so?
Well, by analyzing tons of data, AI can help identify patterns that can be used to reduce fuel consumption and minimize the environmental impact of deliveries.
So it's not just good for business, it's good for the planet, too.
Right. And we're even starting to see AI-powered chatbots that can answer customer questions and provide updates in real time.
So you don't have to wait on hold forever to talk to a human.
Exactly. It's like having a 247 customer service team at your fingertips.
So AI is really shaking things up in the courier world.
It is. And we're only just beginning to see its full potential.
It's pretty exciting to think about all the possibilities.
It is. But it's not just about automation and AI. There are other trends shaping the future of courier services, too.
Like what?
Well, one big one is the growing demand for personalized delivery experiences.
Personalized delivery, what does that mean exactly?
It means giving customers more options and control over their deliveries. So things like choosing the exact delivery window, specifying how you want your package handled, or even having the option to pick it up from a locker.
So it's all about catering to the individual needs of the customer.
Exactly. And it's about making the whole experience as seamless and convenient as possible. So we're seeing things like smart lockers popping up everywhere.
Smart lockers, those sound cool.
They are. They allow you to pick up your package at any time, day or night.
So you don't have to wait around for the delivery driver.
Exactly. And there are also subscription-based delivery services that cater to specific needs.
Like those meal kit delivery services I've heard about.
Exactly. And grocery delivery services are becoming more and more popular.
It seems like the future of courier services is all about empowering customers.
I think so. It's about giving them more choices and making their lives easier.
And let's not forget about sustainability. We talked about how AI can help reduce the environmental impact of deliveries, but what else is being done?
Well, many courier companies are investing in electric vehicles, which is a huge step in the right direction.
Yeah, those electric vans are becoming more and more common.
And companies like Bocsit are really leading the way in this area.
I remember you mentioned them before. What are they doing specifically?
Well, they've invested heavily in a fleet of electric delivery vehicles, and they're also optimizing their delivery routes to minimize mileage and fuel consumption.
That's great. Any other cool initiatives?
Yeah, they're partnering with local businesses to explore innovative solutions like cargo bikes for deliveries in densely populated areas.
Cargo bikes, like those big bikes with the box on the front.
Exactly. They're a great option for those last-mile deliveries in cities.
And they're super eco-friendly, too.
Right. So Bocsit is really taking a holistic approach to sustainability.
They're not just thinking about the bottom line, they're thinking about the planet, too.
Exactly. And they're setting a great example for other companies to follow.
Speaking of setting examples, I'm curious about the security side of things. With all these valuable goods being shipped around, how are courier companies keeping everything safe?
That's a really important question, and it's one that the industry is taking very seriously. We're seeing a lot of investment in sophisticated tracking technologies and tamper-proof packaging.
So it's harder for packages to get lost or stolen.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And some companies are even using blockchain technology.
Blockchain. Isn't that the technology behind cryptocurrencies?
It is, but it has a lot of other applications too, including in the courier industry. Basically, it creates a digital record of every step in the delivery process, so it's incredibly secure and transparent.
So it's like having a digital trail that shows exactly where the package has been and who has handled it.
Exactly, and that makes it much harder for anyone to tamper with the delivery chain.
Wow, that's pretty impressive. It sounds like blockchain could really revolutionize the way we think about security in the courier industry.
I think so. It's a game changer that's already being implemented by forward-thinking companies like Bocsit.
It seems like Bocsit is always at the forefront of innovation.
They are, and they're showing that it's possible to be successful while also being ethical and sustainable.
It's inspiring to see a company that's really committed to doing things the right way.
Absolutely. So, to sum up, the future of courier services is looking pretty bright.
Yeah, with all these amazing technologies and innovative ideas, it seems like anything is possible.
Exactly. And it's going to be fascinating to see how the industry continues to evolve in the years to come.
Welcome back to the Deep Dive. We've traveled through the past and present of courier services, and now we're peering into the future.
It's an exciting future, full of possibilities, but like any journey, there might be some bumps in the road.
So what kind of challenges do you think courier services might face as they continue to grow and evolve?
Well, one of the biggest challenges is keeping up with those ever-increasing customer expectations.
You mean like people wanting their deliveries faster and cheaper?
Exactly. Customers are used to instant gratification these days, and meeting that demand while still making a profit is no easy feat.
It's like a constant race against the clock, always trying to stay one step ahead.
You got it. And then there's the issue of regulations, especially when it comes to those cool new technologies we talked about, like drones and self-driving vehicles.
Right. Those are still pretty new and uncharted territory, legally speaking.
Exactly. Navigating the constantly evolving regulations across different cities, states, and countries is going to be a real headache for these companies.
It's like trying to solve a puzzle where the pieces keep changing.
And then, of course, there's the ever-present threat of cybersecurity attacks.
Oh, right. With all those packages and personal information flying around digitally, it's like a giant target for hackers.
Exactly. Courier companies are going to need to invest heavily in cybersecurity measures to protect themselves and their customers.
It's like a never-ending battle to stay one step ahead of the bad guys.
But despite these challenges, I think the future of courier services is incredibly bright.
Yeah, we've already seen some amazing innovations, and it seems like there's so much more potential for growth.
Absolutely. One area that's really ripe for innovation is personalized delivery.
So taking those customer expectations we talked about and actually using them to create a more tailored experience.
Exactly. Imagine a world where you can customize every aspect of your delivery, from the time it arrives to how the package is handled.
It's like having a personal delivery butler catering to your every whim.
Another area with huge potential is expanding same-day delivery for things like groceries and other essential items.
I can definitely see the appeal of that, especially for busy families or people who can't easily get out and about.
It's all about making people's lives easier and more convenient.
And it sounds like there are opportunities to expand courier services to new markets and demographics too.
Oh, absolutely. Think about reaching those underserved rural communities, or offering specialized services for seniors, or even helping small businesses with their international shipping.
It's like breaking down those geographical and logistical barriers that have traditionally limited access to these services.
And who knows, maybe in the future we'll even see couriers delivering digital content.
Digital content, you mean like software updates or even virtual reality experiences?
Exactly. It might sound far-fetched, but when you think about how technology is evolving, it's not entirely out of the realm of possibility.
It's mind-blowing to think about the potential.
It is, and the best part is, we're just at the beginning of this journey. Who knows what other incredible innovations await us in the future of delivery?
Well, before we wrap up, I want to bring it back to Bocsit. We've talked a lot about them throughout this deep dive, and I'm curious to know how they're positioning themselves for the future.
Bocsit is a great example of a company that's not afraid to embrace change. They're constantly innovating and looking for ways to improve their services.
So they're not just sitting back and waiting to see what happens. They're actively shaping the future of the industry.
Exactly. They're investing in electric vehicles, exploring drone deliveries, implementing AI-powered route optimization, and beefing up their cybersecurity.
It sounds like they're covering all the bases.
They are. But what really sets them apart is their commitment to their customers. They're always looking for ways to enhance the customer experience and make deliveries as seamless and stress-free as possible.
It's like they're not just delivering packages, they're delivering peace of mind.
I like that. And that's a really important part of their success.
Well, we've covered a lot of ground in this deep dive into courier services, from their humble beginnings to the incredible innovations that are shaping their future.
It's been an exciting journey.
And I think we've all learned a lot about this essential industry and the crucial role it plays in our lives.
It's easy to take courier services for granted, but the truth is, they're the backbone of our modern economy, connecting people and businesses all over the world.
And as we've seen, they're constantly evolving to meet our ever-changing needs.
So the next time you see a courier truck zipping by, or you get that notification that your package is on its way, take a moment to appreciate the complex and innovative network that makes it all possible.
And that's a wrap for our deep dive into the world of courier services. Thanks for joining us.